There could be several reasons why your Valorant store is not loading, like an unstable internet connection. Sometimes, a slow or unstable connection can prevent the store from loading properly. So here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. First, right-click your Valorant shortcut. Select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Uncheck Run this program in compatibility mode. Press Apply and then OK. First, open or Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following commands. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.